Okay, so in this demo, I'm going to show how we can configure this demo. So this is an app built by IBM team. Now, the app uses two components. One is the Watson Discovery, and other is the object storage, right? So the reason why we are using object storage here is primarily to store the PDF files that will be uploading, because the discovery, what it does is it ingests only the text. Like I explained in the previous video, what we will do is discovery will ingest the information, and then when we search the information is passages retrieved, and then when we actually click on that passage, because now we know the file name as well as the search string, it goes and opens up the respective things. So here is how we configure this application. This is a so I have already added these credentials, but you can see that these are collection ID, discovery URL, Watson Discovery API. These are basically the Watson Discovery credentials, and these are credentials for the storage or the cloud object storage that I have added, right? So basically this is an API key, endpoint, and service instance, and bucket ID. So basically this is where the documents can be uploaded, right? So I am updating the service credentials. uh, so what happens is, now instead of the engineering advisor, I will go to this custom collection, right? So custom collection currently has nothing. So I have already done these two activities, created an empty Watson collection, and also the cloud object storage. So I will quickly go to sorry I'll quickly go to Watson Discovery and show you that. So this is the Watson Discovery this thing, and then I have the API keys, and I have the URL of the service, and then when I click on this, I will get an empty collection, right? So there's nothing, there's no documents or anything in those in that discovery collection. Okay. Yeah, so you see that there is a collection one, but inside the collection one there is no information, right? So there are no documents inside the collection. Now I can look at the other credentials that was needed, like collection ID, configuration ID, environment ID, and so on. So these are the things that I inputted programmatically, right? So this is a so now I go back to my the app here. Sorry, here. Sorry, here. Yeah. Okay, so I have, so that's the credentials I have ingested. So now once I have put all the credentials, the discovery as well as the object credentials, object storage credentials, I can validate these credentials. So what will happen is this will get validated. So now my app is ready. So now what I will do here is actually use the same PDF document that I used earlier, right? So my earlier demo. So the PDF document that we'll use is basically the yeah, so this drink drive SOP that we used, right? So here I'll go here and go to my thing and drag and drop the drink driving PDF here. So once I upload this PDF, so what is happening is this is getting uploaded in the object storage. Then our app actually reads this information from the object storage and populate the Watson Discovery. The Watson Discovery then will get the document will get ingested, and then it will be ready for the search scenario. So here you see it says the drink drive this thing is done, right? So now what I want to do is I want to search for some information. So as we see in this document, let's go to the text, take the document. and maybe I wanted to search the same thing that I showed in the previous demo just for consistency. So maybe I want to look at irritant spray, right? So I go back and does the three. Okay, here there is only one document. So so you have various information from the document that gets retrieved. So maybe I can just take the first one and click on this. You see the confidence and other things are slow because I have not really trained this. It's just it's just ingested, right? So there's no sort of training that has been done. So when I click on this, it opens up the PDF document, and it'll take you to that part where there was an irritant spray, right? So basically this PDF is coming from the object storage, so which has this information. And what we are doing is writing an application which opens up this particular box. And because we already know from Watson Discovery where this information is, we then relate that to the information in the document, and we exactly know that it's in the 14th page of the 40th document. Thank you.